Hey everyone, and welcome back to Altcoin Goddess. I'm your host, and today we're diving into an insane opportunity with OctoBot. This platform is all about staying ahead in the crypto game with some of the best investment strategies out there. But as always, before we jump further, remember that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational purposes only. You can invest in themes you're passionate about because OctoBot's theme-based crypto basket make investing a breeze. They help lower your risk and diversify your investments, which is crucial in the crypto world. Plus, guys, you can explore a wide range of investment strategies, view their performance history, understand how they work, and start investing with ease. The team behind this project is stacked with experienced developers who have been in this field for years. On top of that, they're rolling out some insane marketing right now that's catching eyes across the crypto space. What's also a major plus is that they've partnered up with leading exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, BingX, OKX, Binance US, and Coinbase. These major partnerships provide a huge boost of confidence for investors and show that this project is actually built to last. What's more, guys, this is an excellent platform if you're looking to invest your crypto using straightforward yet powerful investment strategies. And if you're tuning in right now, you are in luck, as this is just the first of many videos I'll be sharing about this project because, as I said, I truly believe that this project deserves all the attention it's getting. Plus, guys, I've left an affiliate link below and it's totally free for you to register and check out their impressive features. They make high quality investment strategies accessible for everyone, which is a huge deal because it means no one gets left behind. The strategies are completely free, meaning that there are no hidden fees eating into your potential gains. As you can see, it's all about making investing straightforward and open for all to see. What's more, they've chosen to operate in full view, meaning that OctoBot is open source. This transparency shows they have nothing to hide and you can see exactly how it all works. And over on Telegram and Discord, their community is bustling with activity and it's a place where you can join other investors, share experiences, and grow together, which is another huge plus. As I said, guys, before you put real money into your investments, you can actually test it and use virtual money. This means that you can try out any of their crypto baskets or investment strategies without any risk. This is perfect for testing the waters and seeing how strategies perform under real market conditions, but without the risk. And there is no need to connect your exchange account for this, which simplifies things a lot. And remember that all of this is to make crypto investment as easy and accessible as possible. They do their best to keep things simple, which is just what we need in the often complex world of crypto. Just pick your strategy, select your exchange, and follow your gains. It is that straightforward with OctoBot, guys. When you create an account and log into your dashboard, you will be greeted by the For You section. This part is designed to help users find strategies they will likely enjoy and are tailored based on a few questions OctoBot asks when you first sign up. And don't worry if you wish to change, because you can update your answers anytime to better suit your evolving crypto needs. And based on my experience, as you can see, my suggested strategies include the low-risk Bitcoin and light Bitcoin strategies. This personalized approach helps ensure that the strategies you explore really match your crypto journey expectations and are a huge plus. And with that being said, guys, we are now moving on to an exciting feature that they offer known as crypto baskets. These are designed to help you invest in the whole market or focus on specific themes like AI or gaming. A crypto basket groups various cryptocurrencies together based on these themes, which is fantastic for diversifying your portfolio. It's something like having a team of coins working together to lower your investment risk. The cool part is that these strategies automatically update your portfolio whenever a new crypto fitting the theme pops up. For those looking to capitalize on bull runs, crypto baskets are your go-to, as they can boost your chances of finding the next big altcoin. Plus, guys, when one of the cryptos in your basket spikes in value, the strategy smartly redistributes your profits and is ensuring that your investments adapts with the market. It's a pretty seamless way to manage and grow your crypto investments and is very cool, guys. And over in the strategies section, you can dive deep into different exchanges and risk levels that suit your needs. As I said, they really value transparency, and it shows because each trading strategy has its performance history updated weekly. This means you can check out the risk level and see all the performance stats from the last week, last month, and even the last 6 months. You will also get a full rundown on each strategy, like supported exchanges, traded assets, and the type of trading that happens. And following up on those advanced strategies, another amazing thing you can do with OctoBot is automate any strategy based on TradingView alerts. This feature lets you automatically create orders as soon as a TradingView price alert is reached, when a technical indicator shows a specific signal, or using Pine script. When OctoBot gets an alert from TradingView, the automation triggers and you see the results right away. And on top of that, each OctoBot has a complete history of its automation and their outcomes, so you can track everything transparently. Plus, you can optimize your bull market moves using the RSI to buy and sell at the best times as trend shift. And what's more, you can even discover how to automate buy and sell orders based on a death and golden cross strategy created on TradingView. What's important to highlight is that there is no limit to using these TradingView automations with OctoBot, which is making it a super flexible tool for managing your crypto investments. And right after you feel confident about your strategy selection, remember that you can test any of them with virtual funds. This is actually really cool because it means that you can kickstart any strategy in OctoBot without using real money. You simply choose virtual funds, start an OctoBot, and see how it performs under real market conditions. As I said, there is absolutely no risk, as no real money is involved and no exchange account connection is needed. And once you find and test the strategy or crypto basket you want to engage with, just hit start trading. You select real trading next, input your exchange account APY key, and OctoBot confirms you have the necessary funds to kick things off. And from there, guys, you can successfully start your OctoBot to automate your investments. Your OctoBot might rebalance your USD associated coins like USDT or USDC to optimize your strategy start conditions. After that, OctoBot automatically applies your chosen strategy or basket to your exchange account by executing buy and sell orders on the traded crypto. What's more, the entire process keeps your funds on the exchange, so there is no need to move them in or out. As you can see, it is that easy to start investing smartly and seeing results. And after checking out these strategies, you can stay engaged with their web platform and mobile apps available for both iOS and Android. This means you can explore strategies, create your own OctoBots, and keep up with your investments whether you're at home or on the move. No matter where you are, your crypto management is just a few clicks away. What's more, guys, many of their strategies are totally free, which is a huge plus if you're just starting out or testing the waters. And for those who want even more, you can actually unlock additional features. This can be done either by subscribing for just $5 a month or by completing simple tasks in their reward center. And right now, as a crypto apprentice myself, I've managed to unlock awesome extras like 2 OctoBots, 3 DCA investments, and some really straightforward crypto lessons. They've got literally everything from AI to dollar cost averaging and grid trading, which means that you can find just the right approach for your investment style. And for those who love to get hands-on, as I said, OctoBot's full TradingView integration allows you to automate your strategies like a pro. It's an amazing platform with loads of potential and genuinely useful features, and I'm super excited to share with you. And with that being said, guys, be sure to check out this project through my referral code you can find below this video and pinned down in the comments. As I said, you can start off with virtual money to see how it clicks for you, so it's totally risk-free. Be sure to check it all out, become a part of their amazing community, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, be sure to smash that like button, share this video, and hit subscribe to stay updated on all things crypto. Until next time, this is your host Altcoin Goddess signing off.